for dog, standing tall. E is for elephant, big and gray.
F is for fish, swimming away. G is for goat, eating hay. H is for hat, for a sunny day. H is for hat, for a sunny day.
I is for igloo, made of ice. J is for jam, tasting nice. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, passing by.
M is for moon, in the night. N is for nest, out of sight. O is for owl, hooting loud. P is for pig, pink and proud.
Q is for queen, with a crown. R is for rain, falling down. S is for sun, bright and round. T is for train, on the ground. U is for umbrella, in the wet. V is for van, the best one yet. W's for whale, in the sea.
X is for X-ray, look at me. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, through the town. Z is for zebra,
Welcome to Boo Boo Flicks, where we learn, laugh, and grow.